What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a crazy past week or so. I've been battling this like flu cold thing, so if I sound a little congested, a little different, I apologize for that. So I'm just getting over this cold. I think I'm pretty much at the end of it, and then today feels like 105. I said, you know what, gotta get a video for the people, so that's exactly what we're doing. Little Gsx-R action. Hope you guys enjoyed the last video with the R6. That was insane. Truthfully, I thought it was going to go way different. Thought it was going to be a lot closer, shall I say, but this thing's fierce, man. Up to like 120. That's when the weight kicks in and the kind of lack of power. So we are at 400 subscribers, 75,000 views. Just a kid from a small town. You know, and I've always dreamed of doing YouTube. Oh no, we got a Gsx-R behind us. It's not even the money fact, it's just being able to look back on something and having people look up to your videos. It's more of a fun thing for me. Don't get me wrong, if I could quit my job and do this full time, I mean, that would be unreal, and I would do it in an absolute heartbeat. Me just being a content creator is enough. I mean, just to look back on something and having milestones to hit is just awesome. It really is, and I appreciate you all. I love messing with people, man. I really do. Even though it's probably, my luck, that's probably a 1000, and I would get absolutely embarrassed, like I got embarrassed with a 600. But you know, you never know. And I think truly this bike is a remarkable motorcycle. I mean, it's literally checks a lot of boxes for a lot of people, and if I could even steer a couple people into getting one, or even the thought of having one, or spark an interest even of one, I mean, that, I feel like I've accomplished something, you know? Honestly, people ask me, why would you even start YouTube? And honestly, I'm just looking in the future. Like, if I could, one, quit my job or cut hours down and be able to ride my bike and make content for the viewers, I mean, I don't know what else I could dream of. Honestly, like if I wanted to go back and look at my time in Florida, for instance, I can go back to my previous videos, bring it back up. It's just something good to look back on, be able to grow off of. And honestly, I'm just tired of seeing other people live my dream and be scared by people get millions and millions of views. Like, that means nothing to me. I'm here in this world to make a name for myself. If YouTube is what it is, I guess that's what we're gonna do. Beautiful. Yeah, we'll see you freaking person. Oh no, we're 2 miles away from hitting 6,300.